Hello guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Belfast guys. Ito yung abang lingkod niyo si Mr. John Otikpatik. Ito guys, nandito tayo sa main city of Belfast. Yan yung Europa Hotel guys. Siya yung tourist bus guys. Tourist bus. Yan yung Grand Central Hotel. Yung tour bus guys. Yung Belfast, yung island. Hello. There we go guys. Guys, tayo sa Europa Hotel. Ito yung pinaka-famous na hotel guys sa Northern Ireland guys, yung Europa Hotel. Ito guys, ano to guys, yung Guinness of Book Record tong hotel na to guys. Ito yung most bomb hotel in all Europe guys. Yung Europa Hotel. Ayan guys, Europa Hotel. Europa Hotel.
Hey! Hey!
Hello guys. So, yun guys, Europa Hotel guys. Yun guys ha, Europa Hotel. Yan ang pinaka-most famous dito sa Northern Ireland guys. Europa Hotel. Guys. So dito tayo guys sa main city ng Northern Ireland guys, Belfast City. Ito yung pinaka-puso ng Northern Ireland guys, pinaka-city. Yan guys, ito sa pinaka-lumang bar dito sa Northern Ireland guys. Yung Crown Bar, the Crown Bar. Isa sa pinaka-matandang ano dito guys. Yan guys, 1895 pa yung building na yun guys. So nakita nyo guys. So that's all guys. Bye bye.